Hello, everyone. Hello. My name is Nadia. I'm from Ukraine. Welcome, everyone, to Geshe Michael Roach Class 5. We're so happy to have you here for this next teaching session. It is a gift to gather together and continue receiving these practice teachings as a global community. Thank you for joining us at ACI 5 Houses. Please settle in and let's begin class 5.
Okay.
Baiklah,
What time is this class start? What time is
jam
it?
berapa kelas ini mulai?
9:45?
8.35.
Good morning, everyone. Please hurry in and take your seats.
Selamat pagi semua, silahkan masuk segera dan duduk.
Hope everybody feels well today. Thank you so much, Geshe-la, for being here and for teaching us. Please do so forever.
Ready?
Semoga semua senang berada di sini dan terima kasih kepada Jasa Michael yang bersedia mengajar kita hari ini.
We'll start in about 5 minutes, so you're welcome to talk.
Kita akan mulai dalam 5 menit lagi, jadi kalau Anda mau bicara silahkan.
Is there any way to show my screen? Too much trouble. Too late? Okay.
Apakah masih mungkin
Just for
untuk
1 minute.
menampilkan layar untuk 1 menit? Apakah terlalu merepotkan?
Recording in progress.
Ooh,
And then you can just share your screen.
okay.
He's going to share his screen.
Just for a few
He's
minutes.
going to share a screen on Zoom.
Yeah, okay. 2 minutes.
2 menit lagi.
Okay. So when we have a translator class, we are broadcasting into many restricted countries also. And
Jadi pada saat kita ada kelas yang diterjemahkan, kami juga menyiarkannya ke negara-negara yang terbatas.
participants to wear a suit. And I think it helps on the other side to keep everybody safe. So
Dan
that's why we wear a suit.
Jasa Michael pakai jas dan itu membantu keselamatan dari orang-orang yang berada di negara-negara yang situasi berbahaya.
It's okay. Tell me when. Okay, you ready?
Kasih tahu kapan kita akan mulai.
Here we go.
Ayo mulai.
Welcome to our morning meditation, and then we'll be going into a translator class with Gibson Chang working on his new book. He's been ripping through those books. He's almost done with the third
Selamat
book.
datang di kelas meditasi dan nanti kita akan belajar dari Gibson Chang yang baru saja menerjemahkan satu buku.
Advanced translation class for Diamond Way. And we started it a couple
Dan ini kelas penerjemahan yang lanjutan.
some new things, and I thought you might like to see what they worked on this morning.
Dan mereka belajar tambahan. Mungkin Anda pengen lihat apa yang mereka kerjakan.
I am sharing here. Yeah.
Ini dia.
One of the manuscripts they're working on.
Ini beberapa naskah yang mereka sedang kerjakan.
How to read the handwritten manuscripts.
Jadi mereka belajar bagaimana membaca naskah
So
ini.
this is a book that I found maybe 15 years ago.
Ini buku yang saya temukan 15 tahun lalu.
In St. Petersburg. And I
Dan
found pieces
saya
of it
menemukan
in
sebagian ada di Petersburg.
India, and I found pieces of it in Mongolia, and
Bagian lagi ada di
back
Mongolia.
together.
Dan kami berusaha
And,
menyatukannya.
John Brady's project, ALL, found a whole
Dan
manuscript. Not too
Project
long ago.
John Brady, ALL, berusaha
And, I just
menemukan
wanted to thank them again.
banyak naskah.
Where is the? Oh man. Yeah.
Ini dia.
Yeah.
Iya. Buat pendukungnya.
Around 700 years ago, the Mongolians took over the world, including
Oh,
Moscow.
700 tahun yang lalu Mongolia dijajah dan kemudian naskah-naskahnya
And Austrians.
banyak yang dibawa ke Rusia. Ada 400.000 orang
Khan died. Genghis Khan died.
Austria yang
They
terbunuh.
got the message 2 years later, and they turned around and went home. And they took a lot of books back with them from many countries. And so we're very lucky to have those books.
Dan kita beruntung sekali memiliki buku ini karena pada saat perang itu
Typing the same book.
tidak banyak yang bisa membawa pulang bukunya.
And John's ACIP project, John's project, invented the first computer
Dan-
typewriter.
Dan proyek John Brady ALL di ACIP menemukan cara untuk membuat mesin ketik yang mampu menuliskan huruf-huruf tersebut ini.
Get rid of that. No, come on. Tim, help. It's not quite. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Well, anyway,
Di kelas
they're also learning the handwritten script, which is very exotic.
kami juga mempelajari buku yang naskahnya ditulis tangan.
Oh, that's something else. We were, me and my wife, there's one other competitor coffee shop in Rimrock, and we secretly
Saya
helped
dan istri saya menjalankan
so
kafe
that was a loan we did
di
this week.
Arizona. Kemudian ada
We gave a
pesaing
loan
sih.
to our competitor, a coffee shop in Rimrock. And so we're trying to practice this thing called DCI. So anyway,
Dan
she was happy that we have this system.
dan di kafenya Jesse Michael mereka menampilkan
I lost it.
naskah-naskah yang tidak ada di tempat lain.
Okay. We're gonna do, we've been going through the devil debate and angel.
Sekarang
And,
kita membicarakan
there are
tentang
31
debat
meditations, pretty early in the
malaikat
book.
dan iblis
And,
di
they are very subtle meditations and they are wrong. Okay. So
ada
there's
meditasi yang
31
sangat
mistaken meditations.
sangat
And I've been going through them one
halus.
by one every week.
Kita
Each
akan
week I
melakukannya
do a
satu
different one. We are on number
demi
16.
satu setiap minggu.
We've gone
Setiap
through
setiap
15
minggu Jesse
wrong
Michael
meditations.
akan melakukan
And it's
meditasi
very helpful to learn a wrong meditation because then you can find out what's correct meditation by illumination. Okay.
dan
if you go
baik
through
kita
those
belajar
31
tentang
meditations,
meditasi yang
you will
benar.
find
Kita
one or
ingin
two that
mengetahui
you have
praktek
been
yang
doing.
benar dengan
And you
cara
didn't know them.
menghilangkan yang tidak
Why they are
benar.
wrong, what's wrong with them.
Jadi apa
He
yang
explains
salah
it very beautifully. Okay.
dan itu dijelaskan dalam
So
buku ini.
we're gonna go through one of those meditations today.
Kita
That's
akan
number 16. I call it a flaccid
praktekkan
lack
meditasi
of
nomor
opinion.
16.
It means a wimpy lack of an opinion. A meditation where you attempt to not take a position. Okay, and there are emptiness meditators
Meditasi
in history
di mana kita berusaha untuk tidak
who thought that it would be helpful
mendalami
to try to do
meditasi
when you do an
karena
emptiness
kita ingin
meditation,
lebih paham tentang
you should try
perkosaan.
to take no position at all about things. Are they real?
Jadi kita tidak mengambil posisi terhadap
Are they not real?
apapun.
I don't take a position. Are they
Jadi
real
setiap
and not real? I don't have
ada
a position.
pertanyaan apakah
And
ini
then you
nyata atau
say,
tidak nyata,
"What
Anda
kind of
jawab
stupid position
saya
is that?"
tidak punya pendapat
And
tentang itu.
then they say, then they quote Chandrakirti, who's one of the great
Kemudian mereka
emptiness
mengutip
teachers of
Chandra
our time.
Kirti,
He wrote a book called
pengajar tentang
Asanatara, which
kekosongan yang
is
sangat terkenal.
clarification of the words of the Nagarjuna. Okay.
Dan
And
berusaha
here's his
menjelaskan tentang ajaran
here's his
Nagarjuna.
quotation.
Ini kutipannya.
Dear Matemba Chingse Kyami Sido, Tewan Giwa Dobe Denda Yang, Parupa Ni, Dawa Yinki, Ko Chagni Mayente, Rangla Damchawa maybe Chiro. Ko Chak Mayente means don't look to us for an opinion about emptiness. Okay? Why?
Dan melihat kepada kami untuk melihat
Damchawa
kekosongan.
maybe Chiro. We have such an advanced position that we don't take any position.
Kami memiliki posisi yang sangat tinggi sehingga kami tidak mengambil posisi.
And Chandrakirti said that sometimes. And then these people read those books and said, oh, if these really cool emptiness meditators, Nagarjuna and Chandrakirti, two of the
Dan
greatest.
orang membaca buku tersebut dan berkata bahwa Chandrakirti dan Nagarjuna adalah pemeditasi yang sangat hebat. Padahal mereka tidak memiliki pendapat, memilih untuk tidak berpendapat atau mengambil posisi dalam meditasinya.
You ready? Okay,
Apakah Anda siap?
run out, I'll slow down.
Tolong kasih tahu kalau Jesse Michael
What does it mean
kalau
when
cepat.
Nagarjuna or Chandrakirti says, I don't take any position?
Jadi apa yang dimaksud oleh Chandrakirti dan Nagarjuna pada saat mereka mengatakan bahwa mereka tidak mengambil posisi? Maksudnya tidak mengambil pendapat sesuatu.
It means that
Artinya
Nagarjuna understood emptiness and understood that any position he would take would come from his seeds.
Nice. 300.
bahwa Nagarjuna memahami kekosongan dan karenanya tidak mengambil posisi karena semuanya
We
tergantung pada
don't
bibit.
take any position which does not come from our seeds. Okay?
Jadi kita tidak mengambil posisi untuk
Whatever
hal yang
position you
tidak
take on
berasal
something,
dari
just
bibit.
say the microphone
Itulah
exists or the
kekosongan.
microphone doesn't exist. What position you take in your life depends
Jadi
on what seeds you planted in the past, which
posisi
means how
kita
much
dalam
did you
kehidupan
help other
tergantung
people
kepada
understand emptiness.
bibit yang
Okay?
kita tanam. Artinya seberapa
Your
jauh
emptiness
kita telah
understanding
membantu orang lain.
is coming from seeds,
Semua
from
berasal
how
dari
much
bibit,
you try to help other people
dari
understand
karma di mana
emptiness.
kita
And I
berusaha
think it's
membantu orang
important to
lain.
say that
Dan ini sangat penting untuk
you
mengatakan
should
bahwa
try to
Anda
help other
sebagai
people
mencoba
understand emptiness, even if
membantu
you're
orang lain untuk memahami
not
kekosongan,
sure yet what
walaupun
to
Anda
say.
masih tidak yakin
Okay,
apa yang harus
it's still
dikatakan,
you are planting seeds
tapi
to
masih Anda
understand emptiness more. It is
menanam
better
bibit untuk bisa
to
memahami
share what
kekosongan.
you understand
Lebih
than
baik
not to share. Okay, and then
berbagi
if you
tentang
then be
pemahaman Anda
honest,
tentang
you know,
kekosongan
it's
daripada
very
tidak
important to be honest.
tidak
I
menyatakannya.
this is how much I understand about emptiness. There's
Ya,
a lot I don't understand about emptiness. But
sejauh
you
ini
know,
pemahaman
here's what
saya
I
tentang
understand so far.
kekosongan masih banyak yang saya tidak
You
pahami
know,
tentang
when you
kekosongan,
meet
tapi
an
saya
irritating
ingin berbagi.
person, they are coming
Walaupun gitu, saya tetap ingin
you
berbagi.
know, somehow. I don't understand it exactly, but there's no
Ya, saya
irritating
tidak terlalu
person
memahaminya, tapi ini
that you ever
pemahaman
met
saya sejauh ini.
who is not a mirror of yourself. You
Jadi
know,
tidak ada
you can say
sesuatu
that
pun
much, right?
yang
You
bukan
can
merupakan
understand emptiness.
cerminan dari
And then
diri
you can
Anda.
say, look, I'm still studying. There's many books about emptiness.
Ya, saya
You
masih
know,
belajar, masih
you can
banyak
study
buku
for
tentang
50
kekosongan.
years emptiness. You won't finish
Kita
the book,
masih,
you know. And you can
kita
be
bisa
honest,
belajar 50
but
tahun
it's a good
tentang
seed
kekosongan dan masih banyak
to
buku yang masih harus
try
dipelajari.
to explain what you know so far. I always try to teach
Cobalah
emptiness to a
untuk
person like
menjelaskan
John.
apa yang Anda pahami sejauh ini.
Okay, just
Oke,
slowly.
pelan-pelan.
And first I spilled coffee on them, and then I said, "You know where that came from?" And
Awalnya saya numpahin
it's a
kopi,
good
terus bercanda.
conversation
Anda
starter.
tahu dari mana itu ketumpahan kopi?
So you will take position on emptiness. You have a
Anda
position.
akan mengambil posisi
It may
terhadap
not be
kekosongan.
fully developed yet.
Mungkin
but
tidak
still,
sepenuhnya sempurna,
A baby position on emptiness from a correct source is much
tapi
better.
pemahaman sedikit tentang kekosongan dari sumber yang benar itu lebih baik daripada Anda tidak mencobanya sama sekali. Sehingga posisi Anda akan semakin jelas dan semakin jelas. Jadi cobalah untuk jelaskan kepada orang lain. Dan jelaskan bahwa sejauh ini pemahaman saya adalah seperti ini. Anda tidak akan membuat orang lain kesal. Anda bisa bilang seperti itu. Coba aja. Dan Anda akan menanam bibit. Tapi jangan mengambil posisi tentang kekosongan yang tidak datang dari bibit Anda. Jadi Anda tidak mengambil posisi tentang kekosongan di luar bibit yang Anda.
These great emptiness masters say, people say, "What do you think about emptiness?" They say, "I have no opinion." You know, I have no
Dan
opinion.
Nagarjuna, kalau ada orang yang bertanya tentang apa pendapat Anda tentang kekosongan, Nagarjuna akan jawab, saya tidak punya pendapat tentang kekosongan.
Pieces of Buddhism came from India. And then people heard pieces, and then they started to come up with some really strange ideas.
Jadi banyak orang yang memiliki berbagai macam pendapat tentang kekosongan, padahal mereka baru belajar sedikit. Banyak orang yang mencoba menyebarkannya di India, dan mereka menjelaskannya dengan cara yang aneh-aneh.
Different quality. Some really amazing Dharma centers and some really bad ones. And
ada sekolah-sekolah juga, ya, ada yang bagus, ada yang kurang. Semuanya berusaha mengajarkan kekosongan.
Usually they're messed up for a while.
Dan biasanya kacau di awal-awal ya.
And then after a while, other people come and say that's not what they mean. It doesn't
Dan
mean you're
kemudian
going to
ada
become a
orang yang
teacher.
mencoba menjelaskan bahwa
It means whatever
tidak
position you
seperti itu
take
yang dimaksud.
is going to come from helping other people understand emptiness. Okay, you
Jadi
will
pemahaman
only
kita
have
tentang kekosongan
the
datang dari
how good
usaha
your
kita
position
untuk
is
membantu orang lain
will
memahami
depend on how much
kekosongan.
you try to help other people. Okay,
Jadi ini semua
a very
tergantung
easy
pada
thing
seberapa
to
jauh
say
Anda
is
berusaha untuk
somehow
membantu orang lain
if you understand emptiness,
memahaminya.
you won't get
Kalau-
upset.
Dan kalau Anda memahami
Then they're going to
kekosongan, Anda
calculate
tidak
some
akan
group
merasakan
of us,
kemarahan.
which is the benefit of being a teacher. Trying to
Jadi
be a teacher.
keunggulan
Okay, so we're
dan
going to do this
menjadi guru,
meditation,
ya Anda bisa ngajarin
and
orang
we're going
tentang
to
kekosongan.
analyze what kind of position each of us has about emptiness. What do I
Kita
understand
bisa
about emptiness?
menganalisa posisi apa yang
And
kita
then we're
ambil
going to
saat
try to imagine
mengenai
how to
kekosongan.
plant the seeds to improve it. Okay, even
Dan
those
bagaimana kita bisa menanam bibit
understandings
untuk
come from
membuktikannya.
seeds. Okay, and those come from helping other people.
Dan semuanya datang dari kita mencoba
That's
membantu orang.
meditation 16. We are recording the 31.
Dan
And
itu adalah
our
meditasi
goal
nomor
is to reach
6.
101 meditations.
Ada
for
sekitar
5 houses.
300 jenis meditasi untuk 5 rumah.
They'll be online and you can use them whenever you want. Okay, so it's gonna
Nanti
take
akan dijual secara online. Anda bisa menggunakannya kapanpun Anda membutuhkannya.
We're about 1/3 of the way through, so I'll continue for another year or two, and until we get to 101 meditations. That's the goal.
Dan Jesse Michael akan mengajarkannya untuk setahun lagi supaya
there's
kita
some kind of
sampai
scam.
meditasi nomor 300
Dharma
sekian.
scam. If you sign up, if you donate $1 a day,
Kalau Anda mendonasikan
Five
$1
houses need some money because they don't
sehari.
charge anything, technically. Some of the other organizations charge you. Five Houses doesn't charge you for teaching. They charge you for food and for house and for travel.
Di beberapa tempat belajar ada yang
So they need support from the teachers. Their teachers are the skinniest.
membebankan biaya beberapa dolar
Organizations.
untuk bisa
They
belajar
don't get
meditasi.
any payment.
Bahkan ada
So
yang
we're always trying, me and
membebankan
Tim are
biaya
trying to find
sampai
ways to help
ribuan
them,
dolar.
pay them some money. Every year we talk about should we charge people because it's difficult. It's very difficult to raise the money for this Five Houses. ACI.
Ya, setiap tahun kita bicara
Every
tentang
year we
penggalangan
decide
dana
to
karena
save
sangat
money
sulit
for
untuk
them.
bisa mendapatkan dana.
In the monastery, you never get charged.
Tapi kalau Anda belajar di biara, kita tidak diperbolehkan untuk mengenakan biaya.
Okay, somehow it works. Okay, so we would like to keep that going for free, and that's the way we've
Dan
been.
kami berusaha untuk bisa tetap memberikan pelajaran ini secara gratis.
35 years we haven't charged, and
Selama 35 tahun kami
that
belum
means we have to do all kinds
menggunakan.
of weird things like sell rocks from Diamond Mountain. You think I'm kidding? Where's that? In my bag, a blue.
Kalau sekarang mereka berusaha menggalang dana dengan menjual batu-batuan dari
If it's there, I don't know. I gave it away, maybe. No, maybe not. Okay, later. I'll sell you rocks later.
nanti kita akan tunjukkan batunya seperti apa.
Okay, so let's meditate. Get ready for meditation.
Sekarang kita akan bermeditasi, siapkan diri untuk bermeditasi.
It's somewhere. I don't know where it is. I know. Okay. When we meditate in a group, it's important to try not to move around, try to be quiet.
Pada saat kita bermeditasi secara bersama-sama dalam kelompok
But
seperti
we
ini,
have to be more quiet.
berusahalah untuk tidak banyak bergerak, untuk selalu tenang.
This will be about half an hour. Okay.
Meditasi ini akan berlangsung selama kurang lebih setengah jam.
So please relax your face.
Jadi santaikan wajah Anda rileks.
Little smile, not crazy.
Sedikit senyuman,
I
bukan
find it
senyum
helpful to
gila.
relax my eyelids.
berusaha untuk supaya matanya juga rileks.
Push your shoulders back slightly.
Pundak Anda ditegakkan
Tighten your lower abdomen, your tummy, a little bit.
dan perutnya ditarik sedikit.
Mainly stay relaxed, stay happy,
Usahakan untuk santai dan merasa senang
stay sharp, stay aware.
dan tetap menyadari sepenuhnya.
Try not to space out.
Berusaha jangan sampai kehilangan kesadaran.
Very, very lucky to have a chance to meditate.
Kita sangat beruntung punya
You
kesempatan
can't
untuk
see
bermeditasi.
emptiness directly unless you meditate regularly.
Kita tidak bisa melihat kekosongan secara langsung kalau kita tidak bermeditasi secara teratur.
And that's the only thing that's going to help you with death and
Dan
what
itu
happens.
satu-satunya yang akan membantu kita menghadapi
So
kematian.
you're so lucky
Sangat
to be
beruntung
able to meditate. You're so lucky to have a chance.
kita punya
This
kesempatan,
country
kita
is
bisa
more
bermeditasi.
locally. This country has enough food, you know,
Kalau kita lihat ada negara-negara yang
danger right now, direct danger.
dalam bahaya, eh,
Lucky.
kita sangat beruntung kita berada di tempat yang aman.
We have a chance to meditate.
Kita punya kesempatan untuk bermeditasi.
So I've meditated for many years, and I still like to do the breathing practice before. And
Saya sudah melakukan meditasi selama puluhan tahun.
practice is a famous preparation for meditation. It is not a meditation.
Dan saya masih suka mempraktekkan persiapan untuk
Preparation for
bermeditasi
meditation from the times of Abhidharma 2,000 years ago. So we're gonna. I
belajar
like to do
persiapan
a-
meditasi
I
ya
know
seperti yang
time is
diajarkan di Abhidhamma 2000 tahun yang lalu.
my mind. I
Pikiran
cannot
saya
focus unless I do 100 breaths first. So we're gonna watch 100 breaths.
pikiran saya tidak akan fokus
And
kalau
out
saya
breath
tidak
is the first half.
mempraktekkan pernafasan untuk
Breathe
bisa
in a relaxed way.
mengembangkan fokus kita. Kita bisa menghitung sampai
And
100.
slowly, I don't think it works to fight with your mind and force it.
Jangan
Watch your
mencoba
breath. I
melawan
kind of
pikiran
like
Anda.
to
Jangan memaksakan
pretend my
pikiran
mind
Anda.
is like a bad dog, and I say, "Come on, you know, let's meditate. Come over here."
Saya sering
Let's
membayangkan pikiran
check out
saya
this breath.
seperti anjing liar
I like
dan
to
saya
go
katakan,
slow.
ayo coba kita
I
tenang
let my mind
sedikit,
wander a little bit.
kita bermeditasi.
I don't try to lock him down right away.
Saya membiarkan pikiran saya berkelana sedikit, tidak memaksakan
After going off the
fokus
breath a
saat
couple
itu
of
juga.
times, I will calm down. The mind will calm down, and I bring the mind to my breath. So we'll do 100 breaths like that.
Dan kita akan mempraktekkan menghitung pernapasan sampai 100.
Keep your eye on your breath. You'll think about other stuff. Bring your mind back.
Fokuskan
Estimate the
pikiran
level
Anda
of
kepada
thinking.
pernafasan. Kalau pikiran Anda melayang, bisa kembalikan kepada pernafasan
Okay,
Anda.
here we go. Then we'll start the preliminaries. Please invite someone to meditate with you, across from you, facing you. Invite someone that you really respect for their understanding and for their kindness. It could
Kita
be
bisa
someone
mulai
else
dengan
right now.
mengundang seseorang yang kita hormati untuk ikut bermeditasi bersama kita dan membantu
Could
kita
be
untuk
someone
memahami
you dream about
kekurangan.
meeting. And I like to say, sit knee to knee with them, sit facing each other,
Anda
almost touching,
membayangkan orang tersebut duduk di hadapan Anda
and let them bless your meditation. It's very, very
dan minta keberkatan dari orang tersebut untuk
to
memberkati
imagine
meditasi
that
Anda.
there's a very good person, someone that you really admire,
Seseorang yang sangat Anda kagumi,
a good example,
yang duduk bersama Anda dalam meditasi ini,
someone that means a lot to you. And ask them to bless you with their presence and their calmness.
dan minta orang tersebut untuk memberkati Anda dalam meditasi ini.
They're a good example. I like to spend about 8 breaths on each step. There are 7 classical steps in meditation preparation.
Jason Michael biasanya
About 10
melakukan
breaths
8 kali pernafasan sebagai bagian dari persiapan untuk meditasi.
You don't want to get hung up on the preliminaries, but you also want to make sure you do each one carefully.
Maaf, di sini hujan, jadi suaranya agak sulit didengar.
Now offer them some small object that represents your respect for them and your love for them. I
Berikan
like to use a
senyuman
flower
sebagai
or
wujud
maybe a
penghormatan Anda
glass of
kepada
water.
orang tersebut.
I like to use something simple. Small diamond. Now we try to remember something we did this week that hurt people, hurt somebody.
Sekarang
And
kita
feel
mencoba
some
mengingat
sadness and regret for it.
eh,
When we think
hal
about the
buruk
mistakes we
yang
did,
mungkin atau kesalahan yang pernah kita
it
lakukan
helps to
pada orang lain yang
maybe
menyebabkan orang itu
during
merasa
meditation,
sedih.
makes our mind more clear. Could be anything. Maybe you said something to somebody, maybe you gossiped about somebody.
Bisa jadi tindakan tidak sengaja apapun,
Maybe you were
mungkin
just
dia tidak
jealous.
sengaja mengatakan sesuatu,
it's so healthy to admit the mistakes we make. I think the sign of a good person is not that they don't make mistakes.
Salah
The
satu
sign of a good
ciri
person
dari orang baik adalah dia mau mengakui kesalahannya.
and talk about
Itu
them,
adalah
lift them up.
cara kita menunjukkan rasa hormat kepada orang lain.
And then equally, think about some good things you did this week. I think all of us here, if you're sitting here
Kemudian,
meditating, you're probably doing a lot of good things.
pikirkan tentang hal baik yang
Some
telah
of
Anda
those good
lakukan
things became
uh,
habit.
dalam minggu
You
ini.
know, you just do this job or to help 5
Kita
houses.
orang-orang yang senang bermeditasi biasanya melakukan banyak hal-hal yang baik.
Have a job helping them or you do things to help.
Anda punya kebiasaan melakukan hal-hal yang baik, mungkin membantu orang lain di
You
kantor.
don't really think about how lucky you are to have a chance to help.
Anda memikirkan betapa beruntungnya Anda punya kesempatan
That you are
untuk membantu orang lain.
And that kind of proves if you're here and you're helping the work of these organizations,
Anda berada di sini, Anda membantu kegiatan yang ada di tempat meditasi ini.
in a way which is not proud, but which is sincere.
Dan Anda berusaha menunjukkan penghargaan Anda, apresiasi Anda terhadap perbuatan-perbuatan baik. Anda menghargai bahwa Anda berusaha melakukan perbuatan-perbuatan baik.
And celebrate
Anda rayakan
the good things you're doing, okay?
hal-hal baik yang telah Anda lakukan.
A lot of people think it's wrong to celebrate the good things you're doing, and that's a mistake.
Banyak orang berpikir butuh waktu lama untuk bisa merayakan kebaikan kita. Itu salah.
Good habits we have.
Anda punya waktu, punya kesempatan untuk melakukan itu.
We have to celebrate.
Anda bisa merayakannya.
For me, the next preliminary is the most difficult. We ask that during the rest of today, up to our meditation tomorrow, that somebody teaches us something. So we learn something from other people. Sometimes it's a formal teaching. Sometimes it's just by good example. But make a request to the universe, today. May I learn something new.
Kepada alam semesta hari ini bahwa Anda ingin belajar sesuatu yang baru. Dan Anda bisa belajar secara formal ataupun bisa belajar dari seseorang.
And it could be a conversation, it could be
Uh,
a
mungkin
class, it could be a book.
mungkin bisa melalui kelas atau hanya percakapan, tapi Anda mendapatkan pelajaran yang berguna.
To those teachings. You can learn from everybody. Everybody has
Anda bisa
something to
belajar dari
teach you.
mana aja. Anda meminta kesempatan untuk bisa
See
mendapatkan
something good in
pengajaran itu.
everyone. That's a good example for us.
Anda belajar tentang percakapan antara iblis dengan malaikat, itu juga salah satu contoh di mana Anda bisa belajar.
And then pray for the long life of your good friends, Dharma friends, good people in
Dan
the world, even
Anda
we don't
berdoa
know
untuk bisa
personally,
mendapatkan umur panjang.
long life and health of the people who there are bad people, there are people who say and do bad things, and they're sometimes famous, and then the quiet good people, sometimes they're not so famous, but
Dan Anda mengharapkan dalam umur panjang tersebut Anda bisa melakukan kebaikan-kebaikan.
give them some thought. Think about how lucky you are.
Dan pikirkan betapa beruntungnya Anda menjadi orang baik, karena banyak orang-orang di luar sana yang punya kebiasaan buruk atau melakukan hal-hal yang buruk. Rasakan betapa beruntungnya Anda.
Now we'll start the meditation. I'd like you to imagine that you're on the airplane. Maybe if you flew here to this area, to the local
Sekarang Anda
city,
bayangkan Anda berada di pesawat udara,
that
dan
you're
Anda
on that plane.
terbang ke sini.
And in my life, that's when I meet people I don't know. Most often is I have to
Dalam
travel.
kehidupan Jesse Michael, beliau bertemu dengan orang yang tidak dikenal mulai di pesawat, dan disitulah beliau bisa menambah teman. Mungkin Anda duduk bersama orang yang juga sedang mengambil kelas ini bersama Anda, dan Anda memulai percakapan dengan orang tersebut.
And they say, I heard about this idea called emptiness, and I maybe
Dan
you can
kemudian orang tersebut berkata,
tell me more
saya pernah
about it."
mendengar tentang kekosongan.
Then I imagine they pick up a glass of water that the airplane staff gave them a glass of water. They pick it up and they say, you know, what's your idea? What's your position? What's your
Dan kemudian
opinion?
orang tersebut sambil minum bertanya pada Anda,
Is it
apa pendapat Anda
emptiness? Is
tentang
there
kekosongan?
emptiness here?
Ada kekosongan di sini.
And then try to imagine what you would say to a stranger.
Dan bayangkan apa yang akan Anda katakan kepada orang tersebut.
Yes, there's emptiness in your hand. There's emptiness of a glass. Then they say, oh, does that mean you believe the glass is not here?
Dan Anda menjawab, ya memang ada gelas yang kosong, ada kekosongan di tangan Anda.
And then you say, well, no, there is a glass there, but it's not the glass you thought was there.
Dan kemudian Anda mengatakan, ya memang ada gelas yang kosong, tapi bukan seperti itu gelas yang kosong. tidak seperti yang Anda bayangkan.
Do you like this water? Is it a nice glass to you? Yes, I'm happy I have this glass of water. Well then,
Dan orang
it
tersebut
where
bilang,
did
ya
this
saya
come
senang
from?
ada gelas
It's
untuk bisa
something you
minum
did to help other
anggur
people.
dengan gelas ini.
The reason this glass is in your hand
Bayangkan
is
gelas
that
itu
you
ada di tangan Anda
shared something with somebody in the past.
dan Anda ingin bercerita tentang kekosongan kepada orang lain.
And there's no glass in your hand that doesn't come that way.
Dan tidak ada gelas di tangan Anda yang tidak
That's
datang
the
dari
emptiness of the glass.
bibit Anda.
Then they go deeper and they say, well, what's the emptiness of your idea of emptiness?
Dan
What's the
kemudian kita
emptiness of your
membahas
idea
lebih
of
mendalam.
emptiness?
Kalau gitu, apa kekosongan menurut pendapat Anda?
And you say it doesn't come from anywhere
Anda
except
dan
the
Anda
seeds
mengatakan
that I put in my mind.
itu tidak datang dari manapun, itu semua datangnya dari bibit yang saya tanam di pikiran saya.
What's really happening in their life.
Jadi
My position about
sesuatu
emptiness
itu datang dari bibit.
it doesn't come from its own side. And the
Jadi
position
posisi saya tentang bibit,
doesn't
tentang
come from its
kekosongan.
own side. I have this position
Tidak ada posisi yang datang dari dirinya
because
sendiri.
I tried to help other people in the past.
Dan saya punya posisi ini karena saya berusaha membantu orang lain.
Then they say, oh, so you don't really have any position. You say, no, that's not what I said. I said,
Dan
I don't
orang
have a
tersebut
position.
bilang, Anda tidak punya posisi terhadap
I didn't
kekosongan.
come
Dan kemudian Anda
to try to
menjawab,
help
bukan itu yang saya
people
maksud.
understand emptiness in the past.
Yang saya maksud adalah pemahaman saya tentang kekosongan adalah sesuatu yang datang dari bibit yang saya tanam.
Personally, I found that with this kind of conversation, you should make it short. And
Jasa Michael, kalau Anda
I try to change the
terlibat
subject.
dalam
I
percakapan
always try
seperti ini,
to
cobalah untuk memperpendek
give the other person
percakapannya.
a chance to talk about something they'd like to talk about. So I asked them about their family or
Coba tanya, ajak mereka bercakap-cakap tentang sesuatu yang mereka sukai. Mungkin Anda bisa bertanya tentang keluarga mereka.
I just try to bring out the other person.
Jadi Anda berusaha mengalihkan pembicaraan.
I don't try to make them a Buddhist or I don't try to.
Saya tidak berusaha membuat orang tersebut menjadi Buddha.
I just try to show some interest in their life.
Saya hanya berusaha menunjukkan minat saya terhadap kehidupannya.
Then you're up there in the airplane, you're over the world, you can send down some rays of light from the airplane, try to touch the people on the ground.
Dan kemudian dalam pesawat Anda berusaha
With
untuk
what just happened in this 5-minute conversation with somebody on the airplane.
Anda bisa
There's a
mengamati
famous story that one teacher was trying to
tentang
explain emptiness
percakapan
to
5 menit itu. Ada
somebody like on an
cerita yang
airplane, but
terkenal.
they wouldn't listen, and finally they just punched him in the head. And they say, well, at least I'll make an impression. And they will remember me next life. And we can
Dan
to have this conversation.
Anda berusaha menyentuh orang yang bercakap-cakap
You may
dengan
not ever
Anda.
see this person again.
Itu tujuannya untuk membuat orang itu ingat terhadap Anda dan mengingat percakapan tersebut di kehidupan selanjutnya.
Then slowly open your eyes. Take a
Ya,
stretch.
mulai buka mata Anda, mulai regangkan tubuh Anda.
I like to use that. There's a meditation app. What's it called?
Saya suka
Inside
menggunakan
Meditation
aplikasi
Manor.
meditasi.
It's got. I'll be honest, and I'm not being critical, but most of the meditations are just a joke, and all this weird
Jadi
stuff.
kebanyakan meditasi itu
Trust the process.
nggak
Everything's gonna be
serius.
all right. Rivers know what to do.
Tapi
Checklist
ya ikutin
101.
aja.
You know, I personally, because I had a chance to study with great teachers. I
Karena
don't
Jason
read
Michael
or
karena
read.
punya
I just go
kesempatan
to the
untuk
timer. And
belajar
timer's
dari
quite
guru-guru yang hebat,
quite useful.
beliau
So
tidak terlalu banyak
encourage you to
menggunakan aplikasi meditasi.
check it out.
Biasanya hanya
Every
menggunakan
3
timernya.
years, one of our organizations says they're going to make an app. It's been about 20 years now.
Ada yang bilang mau
Still waiting. In the
mau
meantime, we can
bikin
make this thing.
aplikasi sejak dalam waktu 3
All
tahun,
right.
tapi itu sudah dikatakan 20 tahun yang lalu.
I'll see you. What time, Tim?
Ketemu
All right,
lagi.
so take a 20-minute break, and then we'll be having a translation class with Gibson Chung.
Oke, kita istirahat 20 menit dan habis itu
People are
nanti ada
wimps
kelas
when they say there's a
penerjemahan dengan
translation
Gibson
class. They go,
Chang.
and it's difficult to follow the class, and I always tell the story that when I was in the Geshe course, and I was in I
Sedang
was like in my
bercerita
10th year.
pengalaman
before
waktu
middle
di
grade,
kelas GESE.
and the teacher forced us to go to an advanced class. So these
Gurunya
people were
suka
maybe 5,
memaksa
6 years ahead of us.
mereka untuk
And
ambil kelas-kelas
forced us
lanjutan
to
yang
go to
jauh
the
lebih
class.
tinggi.
And we sat there, and
Biasanya kelas
I
6
had
atau
no idea
7 tahun di atas mereka.
what they're talking about, and I got
Dan,
impatient.
dan mereka kadang-kadang tidak mengerti sama sekali apa yang dibicarakan
And I'm
dan
like, well, I have to
merasa
sit
tidak
through
sabar.
this, I don't
Kenapa
understand
saya
what
harus
they're
duduk
talking about.
di kelas seperti ini? Saya nggak
And
ngerti
the
apa-apa.
teacher said, I
Dan
asked him,
gurunya
why do you force
mengatakan,
me to go to this class? And he said, come back to me in 5 years and tell me
gurunya
what
mengatakan,
happens, and
uh,
5 years later, I was in
coba 5 tahun lagi datang ke kelas ini
that
dan
subject came
katakan
up,
apa
and I
yang
had all these seeds in my mind, and
berlangsung.
I understood it immediately.
Dan
And
Jason
I
Michael langsung
realized it was
memahami kelas
because the
tersebut.
teacher forced me to go to
Dan beliau
a
memahami
class
kenapa
to put the seeds
gurunya
in there
memaksa dia
5 years
untuk
ago.
ambil
So
kelas
just relax,
lanjutan. Ya,
sit in
jadi
translation class. You don't have to like
nanti Anda di kelas
you just
penerjemahan
have to be
uh,
open and put the seeds in your mind.
buka
And
pikiran Anda
later,
walaupun mungkin
you're
Anda
gonna
belum
stop that.
memahaminya, tapi suatu saat Anda akan
Later you think,
memahaminya, Anda
that's what your
menanam
parents
bibit
say, right?
untuk
You'll thank me later.
bisa
Okay,
memahaminya
PP break.
di masa
See you
depan.
later.
Baik, sampai ketemu lagi.
I'm gonna hang up here for a little bit.
Yeah, 'cause we're supposed to announce some